photographer.
Oh, this looks so good.
Yeah, let's eat.
Wait! We haven't taken pictures yet. We need it for memories.
I guess one picture couldn't hurt, right?
All right, say cheese. Sophie, bigger smile, and Matt, straight up, please. Okay, I'm done.
Finally.
Brad, hold still. That's a perfect picture for the Thanksgiving album.
Okay, fine, but hurry up, okay?
Okay, hold still. Perfect. Yeah.
Tony, are you done yet?
Yeah, we're hungry.
Okay, I'm done.
Thank you, finally.
Wait, Brad. I need that biting shot, but go very slow, okay?
Slow and steady, Fred. Tony needs the perfect shot.
There, can we eat now, please?
My friend, you're done, but I got 6 pictures of you guys. Come on, do something cool. Come on, man. Sophie, you too.
The fussy one.
Ew, you got chicken instead of turkey? That's so gross.
The turkey's too big. Chicken's fine.
Do you even have anything good here?
Yeah, they're all good.
Sorry, Tony. Fred doesn't think so.
Oh. At least you got one good thing.
Sparkling apple cider is the best. What can go wrong?
Yeah. This looks good.
You're so picky about everything. Huh? Are you serious, Fred? Why would you spit on me?
The cider wasn't even cold.
Then just put some ice in it, Fred.
Are you kidding me? That takes away from the flavor. This all needs to go. That needs to go. That needs to go.
The procrastinator.
First chicken's in the oven.
Hey! The food smells so good.
Is it gonna be ready soon?
Oh yeah, it'll be ready in 3 hours. I just put it in.
What? I've been waiting all day for this.
Oh, it's not that long, guys. Just go wait at the table.
Fine. I'm so hungry.
Yeah.
Max always takes so long.
Hey guys, food's ready.
Oh, yes.
Finally, I was so hungry.
Why do you always start dinner so late?
Oh, it's only 12 a.m. Just dig in, guys.
The food thief. Done already, Tony? That was fast. Sophie still has a lot on her plate.
Sophie, look at that giant squirrel.
Whoa, what?
More food for Tony. The sweet taste of victory.
Tony, did you take my chicken?
What? No, I don't know what you're talking about.
I've got my eyes on you.
They didn't do anything.
Max won't notice. A small bite won't hurt.
Tony, are those my potatoes? You can't be eating our food like that. You need to leave.
Okay.
Make sure you're not forgetting anything, Tony.
All right, see you guys.
Hey, Tony, that's my plate.
The TV enthusiast.
I love Thanksgiving football games. They're so exciting. Touchdown. Yeah, let's go.
Tony, you haven't even said hi to anyone yet. Come on, let's go.
But the gap. Hey, guys.
Hey, Tony.
Oh, nice of you to join us.
Oh, let's go. Come on, one more point. Interception, let's go.
Tony, why would you do that?
What, me? You're the one that dropped the food. What? Come on. Oh, man, penalty kick? Hey, the halftime show, yeah.
The bad cook.
Oh, that still looks raw. I'll just turn up the heat.
Are you sure that's a good idea, Tony?
Oh, no, I forgot to mix my mashed potatoes.
Hey, Tony. Are you alright, Tony? Is something burning?
Oh, no, the chicken. Here, take these out for me. Oh, no, it's burnt. I hope no one noticed. Guys, I brought the chicken. Max, try it.
Okay. I guess I'll eat it first.
Is that even edible, Max?
Tony, this is burnt to a crisp. Ugh.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Fred, try the mashed potatoes.
Okay.
Mashed potato? More like poop.
These are mashed potatoes?
Yeah. Sophie, try the salad then.
Ew, no. Let's just get a pizza.
I'll make the call.
Max, try it.
The drowsy one.
Tony, hey, Tony.
Leave me alone.
Wake up, everybody's downstairs waiting for you. You better be down there in 5 minutes.
Oh, fine.
This turkey looks so good.
And Tony sleeps once again. When is he not asleep?
Hey, Sophie, watch this. This is gonna be so good.
Nice one, Fred. Tony hasn't even noticed.
You're right, Fred. That's hilarious.
Why are you guys so loud?
The Perfectionist.
Max, wake up.
Sophie, what's wrong?
We need to get ready for Thanksgiving. Get up.
But it's so early.
I don't care. Go set the table. Max, are you trying to embarrass me? This all looks wrong.
It looks fine to me.
The silverware's all wrong. We need more decoration.
Max's setup is all off. Can you believe him?
It doesn't look that different.
I'm not done yet.
Wow, Sophie, it looks amazing.
Wow, this looks great, Sophie.
Thanks. Now don't touch anything until the guests arrive.
Okay.
You don't want to ruin all of Sophie's hard work, Max. The favorite.
I wonder when Max is getting here.
Hey guys, I brought mashed potatoes.
Awesome. We really need mashed potatoes.
But I made some too.
But Max's mashed potatoes are the best.
What? You didn't even try it. I'll see what's so good about these potatoes.
Oh yeah.
Hey, these are good. Actually, can I have some? Sure. Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our Thanksgiving video? Leave a comment down below.
Remember to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.